Sally thinks that Flamingo is dancing. It's true. Some birds dance to show what they're thinking.
Sally's right. Many birds do flap, wiggle, and spin. That reminds me, the Boogie Woogie show is about to begin. Choose up to 3 birds to star in your bird dancing show. Click here when you're finished. Or click here if you change your mind and want to start over.
Bird of paradise. Bird of paradise. Flamingo. Ostrich. Ostrich. Flamingo. Bird of paradise.
Now let's choose some Boogie Woogie music. Roll over these buttons to hear the songs and then click one to choose. Fantastic! Click here to start dancing. Or, ready to practice your bird dancing? Click these buttons to choose moves for your ostrich dance. Now let's choose some flamingo moves. Each kind of bird has different dance moves. Now let's choose some bird of paradise moves. Each kind of bird has